हाय गुड इवनिंग गाइस। अब आपको मैं कुछ इमिग्रेशन अपडेट्स के बारे में जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ। देखो, वी ऑल नो दैट ड्यू टू कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन all the aspirants who want to study or work abroad are witnessing a lot of difficulties. But now there is a ray of hope that within the next few days students can fly to their destined countries even without IELTS. But they have to appear for a Duolingo English test. Yes, it is Duolingo English test, which is easy as compared to IELTS test. Well, here we will do some of the questions. What is the pattern of the question paper like that? So just simply first we will directly go to the type of questions that are asked, and you have to do that, and you have to just click some of the words on your screen. It is basically a computer based paper, so pen and pencils or any other type of notebooks or resources are not valid. So okay, let's start. So you can clearly see that in type 1 questions you have to just fill the missing letters to complete the text below. You will be given time of 20 to 40 seconds. Well, so now let's start. So the statement is, I have a very early plane to Boston. My PL, and the next three words are missing. So there are three dots. Proceeding further, it is written my PL dash 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 leaves a dash 6 a.m. I H A, then again double dash to T A double dash a, then again it is written that A B double dash to N to sorry to R E triple dash, the A one dash R, then triple dash T. Proceeding further, I N E double dash to W A, then again double dash. These are the missing letters. Okay. Um, up, up, up. Okay. Sorry. Let us first repeat. I N E double dash to W A double dash 01 up a dash 2:30 a.m. Well, I am not happy about it. So now see, I will be also dictating you answers. You can get some of the clues here. Like in first one, it is written my PL. Then again, these are triple dash. So you will write PLANE, plane. Leaves a dash. Here you have to insert T at 6 a.m. I H A double dash HAVE to TA double dash KE a B double dash. The dashes are, I am just giving you the answer, BUS, a bus to RE triple dash, that is REACH, the AIRPORT, airport. INEED to WAKE, up, AT 2:30 a.m. Well, I am not happy about it at all. Thank you. This is the type of type 1 question pattern. And type 2, what you have to do, you will have to just record yourself saying the statement below. Here you will be getting only 0.17 as a time. What you have to do, you have to just press the audio button to hear the statement. There will be a small microphone, or it can be an audio icon. You have to click that one, and you will just listen the statement. Now here the statement is, I haven't traveled much for a long time. After hearing it, what you will have to do, you have to just click the microphone option. There will be an option, microphone option, and you have to just record what you heard. Only after completing this, you will be proceeding further. So just practice these two type of questions. Further questions will be continued later on. Thanks.